What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to wall climb. Now, you can do it here, but for starters, I would go into city, and over here, and in city there is a perfect 90-degree wall. Well, dang. I'll just go over here, right here, two places. Now, what I like to do, I like to put my hand, and I like to bounce off. I push off, and then with my other hand, I catch it. Well, when you do it, you want to put your hand on the wall and push yourself off the wall as you're bouncing off a little bit like that, and then just keep practicing that. And then you turn when you're on the wall. You see how like my gorilla body's moving? I would do that to start out, and then as you get better, I would come to forest and go over to this wall right here. And then, as like what I said to do in city, do that on here. But this wall is going to be a little bit harder because it's not as much of an angle as the wall in city was. But if you keep practicing, then you'll eventually get it. And then, yeah. So that is how you wall run. Why did I just say that? That's how you wall climb. For some reason, it said wall run. In another video, I will show you guys how to wall run. So, yeah, just keep practicing. I would start small, like this, and like I wouldn't go like this from the start, like wide. I would go like inwards. But if you feel like, well, actually, you don't even have to do that, because I think that might make it harder. But it's up to you guys. If you want to, I would just do this, like how I'm doing it now. Not like this, not too wide, but just I'd do it like this, just like that. So that is going to be it for today's video, guys. And yeah, like and subscribe, and